Air-blown fibre installation tool maintenance, brought to you by Hexatronic US. The ABF tool is specifically designed for use in microduct networks. Used in tandem with our Stingray fibre units, each microduct can supply 2 to 24 fibres. Keeping the tool maintained and calibrated will ensure optimal performance. Every tool comes with its own maintenance kit. This will include extra nozzles, rubber rings, filter, hex keys, cutters and a 12-fibre guide. Let's begin by using the 2.5mm hex key to remove the upper and lower guides. This will allow you to change out worn rubber rings and clean inside the tool. You can use the hex key to gently lift up on the guide to separate it from the housing. If the nozzle needs to be changed, simply remove and replace with a new one. Make sure both ears are inserted and the nozzle is flush. When removing the upper wheel, apply pressure to one side until it releases, and then do the same for the other side. Remove the worn ring and replace with a new one. When reinstalling the upper wheel, make sure the magnet is on the same side as the notch. This is used to calculate fibre distance during ABF installation. To remove the lower guide, you'll need to remove the 2.5mm screw right above the trigger. Once the guide is removed, make sure the O-ring and 2 springs stay in place. If the lower nozzle is worn, remove the old one and replace starting with the front of the nozzle and working your way back. When replacing the lower rubber ring, you'll need the 2mm hex key. Between the drive wheel and housing is where the screw is located. Simply loosen without removing the screw completely. Now, change out the rubber ring and reinstall the drive wheel assembly. Make sure the drive wheel is centred and not rubbing against the guide. Secure the lower guide with the screw and be sure not to over-tighten. When clamping down, always make sure the clamp is in the grooves and the top guide is straight. When calibrating the tool, remove the dust cap and loosen the locking knob. Hold both the locking knob and magnet cover. Take a flathead screwdriver and adjust as needed. Once at the appropriate driving force, tighten the locking knob and replace the dust cap. Insert the battery and pull the trigger to turn on the tool. The top number is the total distance of fibre blown in metres. The bottom number is the speed of the fibre installation displayed in metres per minute. The bar at the bottom is battery life. To increase contrast, simply press the button once. If you want to reset the distance, hold the button down for 3 seconds. If you have any questions, please reach out to the contact information below.